click on settings and scroll a bit and click on users and team. Click on add user, and we have two options whether we can go with create a new if you want to do it single, or if you want to import, you can upload your sheet here. Also, you can download this example file. I'm just showing you how it will look. So it's opening, so you can see that it will look like this. So you just need to enter the emails, first name, last name, job title, team, seats, like that. You can just add it there. Okay, so you can just if you want to do a bulk update, you can use the sheet. If you don't need if you want to invite a user one by one, you can just use the previous option, create a user one. So I'm just we are not going with this one. I'm just explaining. I explained that how to do that. So now we are going to do for create a new user. I'm just clicking on it. I'm entering the name of that particular person. So I'm just using let's use this email ID. Okay, and then I'm just clicking on next. Here it's asked me which type of seat we need to provide, like service, sales. This is a demo portal, because of that I have it's showing unlimited, but based on your requirement you can give them a seat to the particular person. Like for example, if you are inviting in HubSpot partners like us, you can just select the seat and you can give us the permission, so we can do all the necessary changes on behalf of you. And this partnership is it's an unlimited, or definitely you can add multiple partners in HubSpot. But if you want to add these other seats, these seats are your sales rep explain how many seats you have to for the particular persons. Okay, and I'm just going to use this for now. I'm just inviting a person who can only see the records, so I'm just going to give them a view only seats. Okay, here you can set up the permissions. Okay, and so the easiest way is to select with the templates, and here you can choose the templates. Okay, but it's a partner admin, so because of that it's showing like this. So I'm just going to give them a sales enterprise seat, and now I'm just going to select with template. Okay, so here you will get the name of the particular persons, like which type of template you want to choose. Like for example, you want a super admin, you can select this one. If you want to add it as a sales manager, you can select the sales manager. These are the presets permissions. So a normal person can invite this based on the roles. Okay, so let's invite for a sales rep. I'm just selecting it. It can show you that these type of permission that person have. CRM, they can access the contacts. Okay, but with those which is assigned to them, like that. So here you can see all sets of permissions, and if you want to add more permissions, if you feel that this person need more, you can just assign it here. Okay, so for example, that person the sales rep can see all the contacts, create a new context, edit a contact, delete all the contacts. You don't want them to delete the context. Okay, so you can just make it as a none, or the easiest way is to their contacts, the contact that they have assigned created. Okay, also there is unassigned. For example, we have created a record, but that is not assigned to any sales rep. If we tick this, if we check this option, it means user can delete those contact which is not assigned to anybody else. Okay, or if you don't want to do that, you just want to give them a permission where they can just delete their contact, you can do that. And if you want them to delete all the contact, you can just select this one, right? So in that you will get all the features, and it's have a pretty tooltip way, it's a pretty straightforward description about the thing which you want to do. So you can just see which option appropriate for you. And if you want to there are other things like marketing, sales, e-commerce. There are lots of modules that HubSpot have. and you can just go to each and every module. You can just select the permission, enable, and you can give them a permission to the particular person. Okay, like that. Now this is done, and then you just need to click on next. Okay, if you want to assign that particular person to any team, like currently I don't have any, like I haven't created any teams. This is a new portal, this is a demo portal, so for now it's blank. But when you created a team, all the teams will load there, so you can just select teams from there too. Okay, and here you can see all the permission that people have. Okay, also if you want to save this permission, you just customize a new permission. Like you didn't you choose the template and add customize the permission for that particular thing. If you want to save this, you can just click on this. Other than, you can just click on create a user. Boom. So it will send the email to the particular person, like the invitee person. Also, if you want to give them a link, you can just copy that link and share with the person using a Slack or an email. That person can click on that link and access this account. Okay, and then click on done. Now your user is invited. For now it's very simple, right? So you can just add more users. Okay, and there are lots of things which you can do in terms of like permission and all. So in future, if you need any help in terms of adding a user or like structure your team you in HubSpot, please reach out us. I'm happy to help. Thank you.